this is Ramesh Sharma here. So today I bring you a new series here. So in this series we are going to make our project that is our Google clone. So this project we are going to make with the help of Google Search API and with the help of React.js and Axios. So now without wasting any time, let's get started and I will tell you what are their features. And first of all, let's start with its first feature, that is our homepage. We are going to search the world with the help of our voice as well as with our text. So first of all, let's go with text, then we will go with the help of voice. Our homepage here. So these are the links here. So these links are not working because the user will not log in here. Login system is not here. So that's why this Gmail, images and apps and this profile is not working. So this is our Google image that I took from the Google only with the help of our API. And then this is our bar here, that is our searching bar, and this is our button, the in voiceover button, and here we can search on Google. And this I am feeling lucky is also not working, but Google search button is working here. So there are some validations here. So see that here nothing is written here. When I will write space and I will click on Google search, so nothing will happen. And you can see that when I am writing here, this is our cross button. So when I am going to click on cross button, then our whole data will be vanished. See that like this. Now let's search with the help of our Google search button first, then we can also search with the help of enter. So when you will press enter from the keyboard, this will also work. So first of all, let's go click on Google search. So it will go there, and see that by the help of searching we can get our data from the help of Google Search API. And these are some buttons that are not working yet, because my motive is just to show you how we can use our Google Search API and how we can use our voice search. And in the voice search, nothing, no library used here, no package used. So see that this is our Fullyworld web tutorial, and here you can search also. So I'm going to close this, and here I'm going to write India. Either press enter or just click here. When you will click here, see that our India is now searching here. So this is a very good. Now let's see how we can add our voices, how we can search with the help of voice search. Test our voice search. So how the voice search is working. So this is also a very main feature of this Google clone. So when I will click here, so here it will come. So first time it will tell you that, so first time you have to allow it here to for the microphone. So now after allowing it, so there will be, you have to speak here. So when you will stop speaking, it will go for a search. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to reload this again. So now let's test this. So I'm going to say India for that. So here write this, I'm going to say India. So see that this I'm going to India. So see that now these videos are searched here. So see that the main feature, this is a very best feature. So when I search with the voice, now see that in our search page, in the bar, in the search bar, also that text is written there that I spoke here. So from here you can also search. This is a double method. So double voice search, you can also search from the search page. So when I'm going to say here India, so see that I told Google to search for India here. So when I spoke India, and see that now instead of that thing in the search bar India is coming, and this data is all about India only. So this series is going to be very interesting, and it is going to be very easy for you. So if you will follow my all steps, if you will watch the video full. So from the next video, we will start first of all creating our homepage. So we will create our homepage interface. Then in the second video, we will create our search page. That is our search page, means this one. This is our search page here, search page interface. So then we will start creating our Google search API. So for today, this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. I will definitely respond to that. And in the every video, in the description of every video, there will be the source code link, and there will be our GitHub repository. So you can go there to check any code of that. So for today, this is enough. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next